Welcome back. I'm Akhileshwari. In this video, let us learn how to get current month values. Let us add one measure which will give the current date whenever we run this Power BI. Current date. System predefined function which will give us the current local date and time. Based on the current date, year and month, if any date from a calendar date column matches with the current date, month and year is considered as current month date. So that based on the date function, we can filter our data. So based on this current date, add a new column. Current if month date equals to month of the current date, and year of the date equals year of the if month of the date and current month date both are same at the same time, year of the calendar date and year of the current date both are same, it means it falls under the required time length. It's current month. Let us check whether this current month is being working fine. Let me add calendar date and let me add a slicer with current month as a selected column. If it is true, the date should be of June 2021, from June 1st to June 30. See, the calendar date column has been filtered to show us only the current month dates. Now let us use this filtered date to calculate the payments. Let us go and see the payments table. The payments table, we have three columns: pay date, payment amount, and transaction ID. The calendar date column is connected to payments pay date column. So if we filter the current dates in the calendar table, in the same way, it's a one-to-one mapping currently with this data set. So it will filter the pay date for the particular current month, and according to the current month selection, we can calculate the sum of pay amounts column. Let us write a DAX, a new measure, to get the current month payment amounts. Month sales equals to, I'm using the calculate function, which is very useful in finance calculations, to calculate any expression by passing one or many filters. Here my expression is sum of payment amount column, and I'm filtering the calendar table with current month, calendar current And let me visualize with display units as none. It says 1235. Okay, how do we validate this data? Let us validate. Add one more table. We can, I'm just unchecking this current month and let me add payments amount and pay date. Yeah, we can see entire data is being displayed here. Let us display only for the current month. If I select the current month, you can see the dates has been sorted for current month, June 2021. Here we can see there are only two transactions, 1st June and 3rd June, which is a 450 and 785.56, and the total is 1235. Based on the manual selection, we are getting this value, whereas this measure itself is giving us the current month sales, irrespective of the selection. Even if you select false or true, okay, this is being interacted with this measure. Let us go to edit interactions and close the interaction of the selection. See, the measure is giving 1235, which is for the current month sales, June 2021. And we can validate the data by manually populating that filters. Thank you.